Hello friends, welcome to OP Shah's video diary. Today I'm going to narrate you something about happiness. Once a group of 50 members, actually they were the employees of a company, they attended a meeting. The board of directors inspired them by their motivational speeches, lectured them something very good, and they were taken to task. They asked the employees to write their own names on the balloons handed them over. Each of them were given a balloon and they were suggested to write their own names. As they were complete with that, all the balloons were kept in a different room, and the board of directors allotted them 5 minutes time. They asked them to get into the room as the clock strikes and to find their balloon having their own name written. So everyone was alert to get the balloon of their own name. As the time began, they rushed to the room. They went into and they keep on searching, scrounging, pushing and pulling others. They didn't found the balloon having their own name. In fact, some of the balloon got bursted, and even some of them hurt each other. They jostled each other, they pushed each other. When the time was over, everyone came out with no outcome, with no result. The board of directors asked them. Very sadly, they could not say anything. Thus, the board of directors told them, narrated them a fact that as the time began, they all started rushing, pushing, jostling to find their own names. And thus the result was zero. They couldn't get any. This time again, the board of directors gave them a second chance with an instruction added. This time they said to get inside the room. As the time begins, they asked them not to hurry, rush, push or jostle to each other. They said that whatever balloon they get, they would pick that up and they would supposed to call the names out. They understood the matter. As they went into the room, this time in a very calm and quiet way, they went into the room. Everyone has got a balloon in their hand with the name of someone written. One by one they called out the names and they shared their balloons. They handed everyone over. And this time it took not even 5 minutes. All were out in 3 minutes with their own balloon in their hand. They got to listen. The board of directors made them understand that this time they were not searching their own name. This time they were searching any name, whoever they could get, and they reached to the person out with the balloon. And thus the board of directors told them the way to be happy. In this materialistic, rapid world, we all are in search of our own name and fame, whereas we don't know the fact that our happiness lies in others. If we could extend our helping hand to others, there lies the happiness. If we could help them by any means, by any possible way, there lies the happiness. And by sharing, we share our happiness too. They got a lifelong lesson, not only for the job purpose, but it was for them, which is going to stay with them throughout. So the program ended, the meeting ended happily. Everyone was very happy. to get a message that so far they were trying, they were searching, they were running to find their own name, but this time they found their happiness in others. Extending the helping hand, helping others is really the main source of happiness, because it really feels very much happy when we can do something for others more than that we do for ourselves. So everyone returned to their home, and it was the talk of the day. Everyone at their family member, they shared the issue. They talked of the happenings that they had enjoyed, really enjoyed. And in enjoyment, there is happiness. In sharing, there is happiness. They got a very big lesson for life. So we too must help others. We too must search our happiness in others' happiness. Definitely, this world is going to be a place worth living. Thank you, friends. Have a good day.